Hello guys and welcome to our Royal Choice channel.
Welcome to the Royal Channel. Today we will see the rich lifestyle of Bobby Misner. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel to get a new video update. Wish to know about someone who, despite being rich, worked hard to earn money and fame? Don't stress your mind. History is full of such names. One of these, a self-made name that comes to mind, is Bobby Misner. Bobby Misner, despite being a billionaire and accused as a spoiled person, worked to prove people wrong. Let's read about his life, how he achieved so much at such a young age. Bobby Misner is a vlogger on YouTube. He is a filmmaker and owns a fashion brand also. He makes videos on his luxury lifestyle. These videos were liked by people and he gained immense popularity. He has been affiliated with YouTube since April 2017. He has gained over 200,000 followers on his YouTube channel. He released a video on YouTube named Life of a Billionaire's Son, premiering on November 25, 2018. The video became very popular among the audience and gained more than 6 million views. For attracting the audience from the very first day, he made an intelligent move because, being a billionaire's son, the title of his first vlog was From Private Jet to Public Train. His videos have reached more than 10 million views collectively. Along with YouTube, Bobby is quite active on Instagram too. A huge audience of 50,000 followers follows him on Instagram. He posts his travel pictures on his Instagram account. He is very talented and has command over freelancing too. Early life of Bobby Misner. Bobby Misner was born on May 6, 1995 in Sydney, Australia. Till the end of his childhood, he was raised and cared for by a single mother. However, at the age of 15, Bobby succeeded in finding his father, Tom Misner. Tom Misner is a billionaire who is the founder of the School of Audio Engineering Institute. Bobby went to America to live with his father. He wished to pursue a career in modeling, but first, he was sent to one of the most prestigious schools of Germany for studying. But he was expelled from the school because of his poor attitude. He used to create trouble and his teachers termed him rebellious. Misner called himself a misfit to the well-behaved students in Millfield. After school, he went to Los Angeles for learning filmmaking. In Los Angeles, he spent his life like it was a movie. He enjoyed parties there, hanging out with cute girls. Bobby started his clothing brand, Rich Misfits. The price of a single t-shirt of Rich Misfits is around $300 to $600. People try to label him as a rich, spoiled brat, but never encouraged or appreciated it. Bobby always recognizes this truth and that his father has done a lot for him. Misner's role model is his father, and he wishes to be successful like him. The journey of Bobby Misner. Bobby Misner is very talented. His fame has grown rapidly, and it might surprise you. He is a YouTube sensation. People are highly influenced by his luxury life, but he has made efforts to become popular. He became viral with his most viewed video, Life of a Billionaire's Son. His house and cars are worth seeing. Before moving to YouTube, he also got famous as an influencer on Instagram. His record-breaking popularity is increasing with more than 50,000 followers on Instagram. Bobby Misner's personal life. Bobby Misner's mother raised him without his father. However, Bobby got to know about his father and moved in with him. For $300 million, Tom Misner sold his company, SAE. By selling his institute, he became a billionaire. It is said that Bobby has had bad behavior. Bobby dated Charlie from Love Island. He claimed that he also dated Lindsay London, but this was just a rumor. Later on, he admitted that it was not a date, just a one-time hookup. Misner has done very interesting things in his life. He experimented and married a stranger in a 2-day party worth £13,000. He flew to Ibiza to marry a girl. He proposed to the girl by buying her a diamond ring and married her. Both planned to buy the house together. He bought a brand new BMW M2. Unfortunately, Misner and his wife didn't stay together for a long time. They got separated and divorced after 1 week of their marriage. It is being said that Misner was not officially married to the girl. At present, Misner doesn't talk with the girl and nothing is between them now. He has no children. Recently, Misner has been found in a relationship with Alex Murillo, who is a famous model and horse rider. They have even shared their pictures along with the lovely captions on their Instagram handles. This means Bobby Misner is currently in a relationship with his girlfriend named Alex Murillo. The couple is being loved by their audience. Hope they can sustain the bond for longer and can beat the ongoing global relationship conditions. Bobby Misner's net worth. Although Bobby is the son of a billionaire, it doesn't mean that he relies on his father's money. Bobby Misner is a YouTube star with a net worth of $7 million. He earns through his YouTube videos and fashion brand. To earn such a huge net worth is not easy. To realize how it feels without money and success, he spent 3 homeless nights in London where he barely ate and slept. This miserable condition helped him to work hard. For this, he prepared a schedule and desired to have a crew to help him in creating his videos. He soon realized what he wanted and began working. Ultimately, these all resulted in motivation and inspiration for the next generation. I hope you loved watching the biography and story of Bobby Misner. Thanks for watching the video. If you found value in this video, it would be super appreciated if you could like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel.